Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tzachi, and in my channel you will find reviews of new and vintage Apple products. In today's video, I will unbox the new iPad mini 6th generation, which Apple announced in September 2021. For those who watched the event, it was very clear that the product which stole the show was the iPad mini and not the iPhone 13 or the Apple Watch Series 7. It's been 10 years since the first iPad was announced in 2012. And now finally the iPad mini 2021 received the biggest redesign ever. If we are already talking about the iPad mini first generation, I have a big surprise for you. This is the iPad first generation, which is factory sealed. Soon I will unbox it and upload a comparison videos between two devices. So subscribe now to my channel to receive all my updates. Those who are the largest iPad mini users are usually students and young children who need an iPad but for less professional uses, so its size and price are very attractive for them. If you bought or are thinking of buying an iPad mini, let me know in the comments below what is your purpose for it. Today's review is divided into several parts. The unboxing, its design, we will go through all the operational steps, and lastly we'll do an in-depth check of its camera. So let's dive right in. I bought the iPad mini with 64GB with the new Starlight color and smart folio cover. Here we have the iPad itself, and let's see what else is in the box. In the envelope we have the iPad mini documents, a USB-C charging brick and the USB-C to USB-C cable, and that is because the new iPad mini now has a USB-C connection. So this part was the unboxing, and now let's see what change made in its design. We can see that the iPad now has the new square design as the iPad Air and the iPad Pro, and now all the iPads are square. Now, like the iPad Air, the Touch ID is from the power button, and I have a feeling that we will see the Touch ID as well in the next generation of iPhone. The volume buttons are now at the top, and the reason for this is because the second generation Apple Pencil slaps right into the sides magnetically. Operating the iPad mini is identical to the iPhone, so let's run through it quickly. This is actually the first iPad with a camera bump, and if we are already talking about the camera, let's move ahead and check its new 12 megapixel camera. Okay guys, that's all for this review. Hope this video helped you to decide if the iPad mini fits your needs. For any questions regarding the iPad mini, you are welcome to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I really appreciate it if you don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This really helps me grow on YouTube. Thanks and have a great day.